For the past 21 days, the cryptocurrency market has been dropping massively right after Donald Trump inauguration. But the question is, are you able to generate profits even while the cryptocurrency market is dropping like in this case? If your answer is yes, then I want to tell you that you can even maximize your profit more than what you've been making before right after this video. And if your answer is no, then at the end of this video, crypto bear market or whenever the crypto market is dropping just like in this case, is going to be a time that really interests you. Let's find out why. During the past 21 days, I've been able to generate a lot of profits. Even as of today, I've been able to generate almost 1,800 USDT, and that's what triggers me to record this video. And during this video, I'm going to show you how I did it from start till finish. But before then, come with me and take a look at these amazing profits. Okay, so as you can see on this screen, here's my recent trades, which are not really much, but you can see I've been able to make a lot of profits here. Like in the case of this TSTBSC-USDT, it was a short position, and guess how much profit? 603 USDT. And this FUSDT, the good part is that all this trade was executed automatically, so I did not even have to lift a finger. Everything was done automatically, including selecting of the symbols, executing the trades, and so on. And guess what makes it possible? It is the AlgoBit trading bot right here on your screen. And if I navigate to the menu and click on the settings, like this setting you are seeing right here, you are going to see that AlgoBit recently transitioned from beta mode to production mode, and with that transition there was an update, which is this auto instance. And what this does is that it automatically goes to your exchange and finds the most trending pairs and then execute trade for the trending pairs, which has the potential of making profits. And guess what? This trading bot uses genetic algorithms combined with statistical arbitrage to execute trade. It is really profitable, and that's what I am using to generate a lot of profit. And for today, $1,800. I have dropped the link down below in which you can click on it and register your bot and see it for yourself. That's exactly how I was able to generate a lot of profit, no matter if the market is bearish or bullish. If this type of video interests you, please do well to like this video and put it in the comment section if you've been able to try out this bot and how much profits you've made so far. We have a community of traders that are using this bot right on Telegram, link in the description. Feel free to join. You can contact me there, and I'm going to be available to answer any of your questions regarding any of Floronics trading bots. Until then, see you in the Discord channel.